Good evening, everyone. First of all, it's a pleasure being with two very strong women. So for anybody that's followed me in my life and in my career and the things that I've said, I've been a big advocate for women empowerment, and for me, stages like this really make a lot of sense and they make me feel very, very proud. So thank you for having me here with you all. And as you can see, the jewelry is beautiful, it speaks for itself, so I don't think I need to speak about that. But I do want to speak about the message behind everything. And the message behind this is my choice and my voice. And choice is something that is our birthright, and I think that we should all voice it. And I think that Taapsee and myself try and in our own ways to do it in the capacity that we can, and we are fortunate enough to have platforms where we are able to do it. And whatever that choice may be, it doesn't have to be always liked, it doesn't have to always be the perfect choice according to the rest of the world, as long as it fits what you feel, what your heart feels, and if you're not hurting people in the process, then it's your birthright to make that choice. And that's why this collection and everything with this collection really resonates with me. And yeah, so thank you for having me here. It's again an honor and a privilege to be here, and thank you for coming.
I will just add on to things because she said everything. So I think I've always thought of jewelry and primarily diamonds as resonating what I see a woman like. It looks beautiful and fragile from the outside, extremely strong and hard from the inside. So it's very synonymous with womanhood for me. So hence obviously celebrating it close to Women's Day, this beautiful collection. I just couldn't say no, or rather I thought that I'm lucky to be sharing this platform when I got a chance, when I got to know that Sanya is going to be there, because she's been someone who I've always looked up to in my life. I don't really need heroes only in my profession to look up to. I feel you learn so many things from women from different walks of life, and she's been one of them. So thank you so much for giving me a chance to do that.
And we feel very old, but
no, no, not at all. Actually, no, because then I feel like, okay, someone like her can do it.
Together.
Yeah, I agree to that. So thank you so much for giving me that chance. And yeah, the jewelry looks extremely beautiful, extremely delicate, and I think I'm a person who's probably doesn't get chance to wear jewelry in real life as much, because we are always getting ready for some shoot. But this sort of designs make you feel like I can actually wear it on a date night. That kind of a vibe, or to a formal party. So it does make me feel that I can pick up this jewelry and wear it in my life casually, not necessarily wedding occasions, right? So that's very beautiful part of it. And yeah, the choice, as she beautifully said, that it's our birthright. So I don't think we should just celebrate us, or rather feel like, oh, this is special because she is making choices. I think it's our birthright. Every woman, man, or anybody should have the right to make choice. Good, bad, ugly, right or wrong, it's going to be your choice. You can celebrate it later, or you can yeah, but it will be yours. So yes, let's celebrate making choices. Thank you.